Welcome to the Fall 2023 Research Symposia Abstract Submission Guidance video. So the first thing I have done here is type in OUR UNLV Fall Research Symposia into my browser window, and I'm going to click here on this first link. From here, since I want to submit an abstract, I'm going to click on this tile here, submit an abstract, but first, let's cover some general information regarding the symposium. It's going to be Friday, December 8th, 2023 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the Student Union Ballroom. And this abstract is due by Monday, November 13th, 2023. For any presenters, once accepted, you can also visit the Symposium resources page for more guides and tips for your presentation. So here we just see the opening page. So we're going to click Next. And so I'm going to type in my first name. For this example, my name is going to be Test Student. My class ranking, I'm going to put down that I am a senior and that I am affiliated with UNLV. ID number, I'm going to type in an example. And I'm going to type in my Rebel mail address. And so here, the Office of Undergraduate Research also included this just to ask questions regarding any publications that you have or any presentations that you have done or expect to present in the future. For the sake of the tutorial, we are going to say no to this question. And so then here it's going to ask us what department are we conducting this research in. I am going to put down that we are with the College of Liberal Arts and that we are with anthropology. And so I'm going to type in that my advisor is Dr. Jane Smith. This is a hypothetical professor at the university. Next, it's going to ask us what college and school our mentor is affiliated with. Since we put down UNLV, we're going to go down to liberal arts and select anthropology again. Your research mentor does not have to be under the same college and affiliated with the same department as you are. It's okay if they are in a different college and department. And so next, we are going to provide our abstract below. Here I have it opened up. I'm going to copy and paste that. Note that there is a 250 max word limit for abstracts. Next, it's going to ask me to upload a Word document of my research abstract. So here I'm going to open up my document and upload it. And make sure you follow the file name format of last name underscore first name underscore abstract. Next, I'm going to be asked which is my preferred presentation format. So I want to present a lightning talk on my research. You can also select a poster presentation. You can also elect to do a performance or an exhibit. This is a lengthier presentation, or you can also do a podium presentation. So it's going to ask me to click on this link to view an example if I wish to, and I also need to confirm my preferred presentation format down below. And I'm going to input my presentation title here, and I'm going to enter some keywords. So for mine, I'm going to enter Neanderthals, humans, anthropology, and we will add one more. We will add extinction. And so next, we are going to be asked, do we want our poster to be preserved and available through UNLV's digital undergraduate research repository? We are going to select no. And it's going to ask us next, how many co-authors do we have, not including ourselves? For this example, it is only test student and Dr. Jane Smith, so we're going to put 1. And we are also going to identify our collaborator, our co-author. So this was Dr. Jane Smith. And we're going to put down Jane Smith's Rebel Mail. And we are going to select their role, which was as faculty co-author, because they are also listed in the research. Next, we're going to be asked some questions regarding our dietary restrictions. We are going to say no, and we are going to say we do not have any class conflicts. We are going to be asked next, was this research conducted as part of a course? I'm going to put no, that I conducted this independently with Dr. Jane Smith. You can also put yes. I'm also going to be asked if my project involved human subjects or animals. Did I need IRB or ACUC approval for this project? I'm going to put not applicable because I did not have any human subjects or test animals, so I did not need to. But if your project did involve animals or human test subjects, and you're not sure, please consult with your faculty mentor and also visit Office of Research Integrity website for more information. Next, I'm going to be asked if my research was funded by any internal or external agency. I'm going to put yes, and we can select our funding here. If it was internal, we're going to put down that we were supported by the OUR SURF funding, and we're going to type down a number. And any external funding, we are going to put down that we did not receive external funding. Next, we're going to be asked some optional questions, and these are also just for more data collection purposes. So are we of Hispanic, Latino, or Spanish origin? We are going to prefer not to answer for the sake of the tutorial. And we're also going to be asked, what is our race? We are going to prefer not to answer for the sake of the tutorial once again. We are also going to be asked what our gender is. For the sake of the tutorial, we are going to prefer not to answer. And we are also going to be asked if we identify with any underrepresented groups. For this tutorial, we are going to prefer not to answer. And next, we're going to be asked if we are an international student. If you are, put yes. If not, put no. We are going to prefer not to answer. This is the end of the abstract submission form. This page will come up. Please review your answers prior to submission. Once you have finalized your answers, please click next below to submit your abstract. And so you would just hit next and your abstract would be submitted, and you will receive a confirmation email to the email you supplied at the beginning of this form. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Office of Undergraduate Research. Thank you.